If you've been searching for the best AI tool for video editing, your search ends here. I've tried too many AI tools and software over the years, and finally, I find the best one for you. What you need to create a video for YouTube are a good script, some suitable footages, copyright-free background music, a good voiceover for who wants, and personalize the video the way we want. And besides, maybe you don't have enough time, or even maybe you don't have special expertise, or maybe you don't have a good system to support advanced software, or even you don't have time to learn how to work with advanced software for months, and you just want to start making YouTube videos and making money. No problem. With Pictory, all these problems disappear, and you'll have no excuse to start your YouTube channel. I can confidently say that it is the best and easiest one I've come across that can support all these. And in this video, I want to learn you how you can handle it. To use Pictory, first you need to sign up by clicking here. It has free trial. I put the link in the description as always. Fill the form with your name and email and click on continue. Or you can just click continue with Google and make it easier. This is the main page you will see. Here you have 4 sections. If you want to turn a script into video, so click here. Pictory platform is really easy to use for everyone. Here you just need a script. Now I want to make a real video to show you how it can be easy. So let's go to YouTube and find a good faceless niche. One of the best idea that I have for faceless YouTube channel is motivational video. Of course, we all watch these types of videos throughout the days. And maybe it's better to say that one of the most popular types of videos on YouTube is this niche. And the biggest reason for starting such a channel is that the videos all get good views. So there is a need for such videos with the topic of motivation for people. Now we found the niche. What we need now is a script. For writing scripts, I definitely go for ChatGPT without thinking. It is one of the best AI for writing YouTube video scripts. So I write my request like this. Please write 500 words text for motivational video to start exercise today. You can write any request you have here and ChatGPT will provide you the answer in the shortest possible time. Of course, this is the free version of this AI. You can use its better version, which is a bit faster and will definitely be more responsive. You can easily upgrade it from this part. Well, this is a script prepared by ChatGPT. It may have something extra for you, like these parts. Ask it to delete these parts. Just write the text and delete extra things, like narrator and background music and etc. Well, as you can see, it is doing this. Of course, these guides he gave can help you for editing, but I don't need these guides here at all, so I don't want it to take up my time. Finally, I want to add one more thing to my video. At the end, please add a related and special sentence from a great and admirable person. This is all what I want. Now we have the script. Copy and come back to Pictory. Paste the title here, and paste the main script here. A special feature of Pictory is that you can specify here to highlight some important words in the subtitles. You can also disable this option. Even from here you can manually highlight the special sentence or words you want. For example, in order to show how, I add this title to the script and highlight it. So easily. Now this sentence will be highlighted in the video. You can highlight any words or sentences, and always leave this option on so that it will automatically identify the scenes for you. And this option is also very important. It tells you that you want each scene to change after the dot or after each line break. Or by facing both options, the scene of the video will change. Choose as you wish. I prefer it to be on this option. Well, after finishing the necessary edits in this section, click on this option. The next step is to choose the desired style for your video. As you can see, there are different styles. Here, you should pay attention that some of these styles have the ability to highlight and some do not. It can be understood from the color of the texts. Now choose one. I choose this one. Select the video size and then click on this option. When we enter the main editing section, we have different menus on the left side. In the story section, each sentence is shown in a separate box. That is, one footage for each sentence. On the right side, we have the main video as a slideshow. By clicking on each slide, we can view it. Now let's edit this video together step by step. I want to edit the text on the first slide. This is the highlighted text. I want to make it bold. If you don't like the scene of this slide, you can easily select the visuals option on the menu and change it. In this section, you have access to a large library of footages, and the problem of related and infinite footage will be solved. Now for example, I want to replace this. There is a point here. You can see the number of seconds of this video in the corner of the image. On the other hand, you can also see the number of seconds of this slide in this section. If you select a video which seconds are less than the slide, it may loop or the end of the slide may be black and blank. So pay attention to this. Now I changed the image for this slide. In order to completely remove the loop item from all slides, I click on this option and then this option from this section. There is an option here, trim. You may have chosen a video for this slide that has a longer duration than the slide, but you want to use a specific scene in the middle of that video. Just click on this option and select that part here. I go to the next slide. I want to make the font smaller here. It seems that it is a bit big for the main text of the video and it distracts the viewer from the footage. Now, after editing, I click on this option so that this edit is applied to all subsequent slides. Now that the text editing is done, you should check the slides one by one until the end so that you can change the footages if you want. In general, Pictory is an artificial intelligence that understands your sentences and chooses the closest footage that matches your desired sentence. So just check all the slides once to make sure that all the images are according to your taste. Another interesting point is that, if you pay attention, you will notice that according to the text of each slide, it shows you keywords in the footage search section so that you can find the most similar footage very easily and in the shortest possible time. I like these chosen footage for my video, so I only change a few of them in the last slides. This sounds good now. The next point is about adding slides. You have two plus signs on both sides of the slide. Sometimes you may want to add a scene to your video, now either as blank or only text, or visual, or even text with visual. Just select and click Method. The next thing about the slides is to merge them. Maybe you want to merge two slides together. It means, for example, to have a longer footage and two sentence. For this, stay on the desired slide from the story section. Click this option. Now you can see that these two merge together. In this case, you should be very careful that the time of your footage should be the same as 2 slides or more so that the video does not look bad. If your footage is short, change it and add a longer footage. In this section, you have a number of backgrounds ready, and if you want to create a blank page, you can choose its color from here. In the next part, you can upload the footage or any photo you want to include in this video from your system here. And in the next part, you have access to all kinds of GIFs and stickers of the day. For example, you may want to use GIFs in different videos in other styles. Just click on them and set that GIFs in the desired slide. Now I don't need GIFs in this video. But in general, despite the amount of facilities that Pictory gives us, it makes our work much easier. For example, we don't even need to search different sites and videos to find GIFs and lose a lot of time. And the next part, which is the most important part, is audio. In this section, you have a large library of different types of music at your disposal. You don't need to use repetitive and boring music anymore. So the background music problem is solved too. Here you can apply different filters and get the music you want. And of course, Pictory selects the most relevant music according to the text given to it and loads it for you. But you may like to change it. And the next option in this section is the video voiceover. If you have your own voice, you can upload it from here. If you don't have a voice, it doesn't matter at all. Here you have different voices that you can choose according to your taste and video style and apply it to the video. Play them from this first part.
Welcome to Pictory.
Then apply your favorite one. Voiceover videos are always a big problem for people who want to start making videos on YouTube. Now the voice problem is solved too. The next option in the left menu is text. You may want to create a video with a different style, and you may want to write different texts in one image and even run a special animation on each one. From this part, you can add as many texts as you want. If you want, you can use this option to add a special animation on any text. For example, I do this for this slide. This work is not necessary for motivational videos at all, and it is only to show you how powerful Pictorial is. And that's why I delete this slide after I show them to you. It's really good that Pictory is not just a video editor, but it gives you a lot of possibilities to make A to Z high quality videos with its help. And here is the video style part that we set at the beginning, and I don't want to change it again now. But you can change it if you don't like the present style. This is for the intro, this is for the main video, and the last one is for the outro. If you look here, you will see that intro is invisible. You can change it to visible by click it and design it as you want. This setting is the same for the outro. You can make them visible or invisible based on your taste and your video niche. The other part is related to your brand. If you like, you can upload your channel logo in this section like this, and after uploading it, display it in the whole video. If you don't have a logo and want to create it, you can use Canva. Click here and search for brand logo. Here you have so many templates. Choose one of them, or if you want you can search in the elements to find what you want. Then download and upload it in Pictory. You must have seen in different videos that people put their logos in different places. Here you can also choose a part to display the logo and apply your desired settings. The last part of the menu is related to the size of your video, which we had specified in the beginning. But maybe you want to change it in the middle of you editing. You don't need to go back. You can change it from here. Don't worry, nothing happens to your font and other changes by changing the size of the video. And as you can see, all your edits change according to the image size. And this is the power of Pictory. And finally, the video is personalized as you wanted. After you have done all the necessary edits, you can see the whole video from this section. This is how it is displayed.
Start your fitness journey today. Unleash your potential.
This watermark that you see will be deleted in your downloaded file. And after that, click on this option to download the video. I really like working with this powerful AI, and I use it myself, and it's really easy to work with. Many YouTube users use this artificial intelligence to spend less time making videos and of course produce more videos. If you enjoyed this video and it can help you get started, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Remember to turn on the bell to show you similar videos. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comments. I will answer you guys. Till the next video.